Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm back again with different material. Here I will explain again about the self-introduction. From the video above, I learned that introducing yourself is very important. The first thing you have to do is introduce your name. There are many different places and contexts where you might need to introduce yourself. Some of them are formal and some of them are really informal. Adjust the situation you're in when introducing yourself. For example, you might not introduce yourself by saying education at the party, isn't it? Because that sounds very strange. For example, introducing yourself in an informal way, you don't need to be too stiff and you should be more relaxed. You also don't need to say your full name in front of them. You can also say your preferred name or nickname. For example, my name is Putri. Usually call me Oti or Uti. And a slightly more formal way of doing it is to say my name is Putri Patricia, but it's hard for some to say, so you can call me Putri. And after telling your name, you can say where you live. What happens next depends on the context. If you introduce yourself to your new neighbor, you can focus more on your family. And if you introduce yourself in a job interview, focus more on your work-related experience. And if you introduce yourself in English class, you can focus more on your hobbies or interests. The things that make other people connect with you. And if you introduce yourself in English class, you can focus more on your hobbies or interests. The things that make other people connect with you. And that's it. So the conclusion of the second video is to learn to introduce yourself. Correct is very important because you may need to introduce yourself without running. So you have to get ready. So you must have a pretty rotten and well-educated introduction. I think that's all I can conclude. Let's move on the next video.